Hello everyone. Now let us start with the video which is the current affairs for the month of January 2020, and it is the part 3 of my video series. Now before going to the detail, a short introduction. My name is Alokika Naik and this is my education qualification and my experience. Now let us begin with our first question. In which city did Prime Minister Narendra Modi sign the tripartite Bodo Peace Accord 2020? Now the answer of this question is the city of Kokrajhar. Now this tripartite peace accord, that is a peace accord which is signed between three parties. One of the parties is the Ministry of the Home Affairs, the Assam government and the Bodo groups. It is signed on 27th January 2020. Now this peace accord, it promises more legislative, executive and administrative autonomy under the 6th schedule to the Bodoland Territorial Council. And another part of this peace accord is that the Bodoland Territorial Area District, that is the autonomous region governed by the Bodoland Territorial Council, is to be named as the Bodoland Territorial Region. And the villages that are dominated by Bodos presently, which are outside this Bodoland Territorial Area District, are to be included in this Bodoland Territorial Region. Now the next part of this accord is that the families that are killed during the Bodo movement is to get a compensation of rupees 5 lakhs each. And there is a special development package announced by the government of rupees 1500 crores for the development of the Bodo land. And another thing is that the total number of assembly seats in this Bodo land, which is now 40, will go up to 60. So this Bodo Peace Accord is very important for our exam point of view. Now let us move on to our next question. A unique mobile application has been launched by RBI, that is the Reserve Bank of India, for aiding visually impaired persons. What is the name of the app? Now the name of this app is Money, which is the short form of Mobile Aided Note Identifier. Now let us know something about this app. This app scans the currency note using camera and it gives the audio output in Hindi and English. So this app is mainly designed to help the visually challenged people to identify the denomination of a currency note. And another advantage of this app is that this app can also work offline. Now let us move on to our next question. Who won the Best Motion Picture Drama in the Golden Globe Awards 2020? Now this award goes to the movie 1917. Now this Golden Globe Awards, questions usually came from these Golden Globe Awards. So you need to remember the awardees. So the Best Actress award goes to Renée Zellweger for the movie Judy, and the Best Actor award goes to Joaquin Phoenix for the movie Joker. So these are very important for exam point of view. Now moving on to our next question. Who is the first Indian woman to sign up for foreign football club Rangers FC of Scotland? Now the answer to this question is Gangam Baladevi from Manipur. So she is the first Indian woman who signed a professional football contract above. So she is very reputed and she had also become the Rangers' first ever Asian international footballer. There are also few other merits that goes to her. She was also named the All India Football Federation Women Player of the Year in the year 2015 and 2016. Now moving on to our next question. What has been included in the 8 wonders of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization? Now the answer to this question is the Statue of Unity. We know the Statue of the Unity is the statue of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, who is known as the Iron Man of India. And this statue is also the world's tallest statue at 182 meters. Now let us know something about the Shanghai Cooperation Organization or SCO. It is also called as the Shanghai Pact, and it is a Eurasian political, economic and security alliance that came into force in the year 2003, and it includes 8 countries which are China, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Russia, Tajikistan, Uzbekistan, India and Pakistan. So let us now move on to our next question. Where was the 12th National Tribal Youth Exchange Program held? Now, the 12th National Tribal Youth Exchange Program was held in the city of Puducherry, and this program is jointly organized by the Nehru Yuva Kendra Sangathan (NYKS) and the Puducherry government. This Tribal Youth Exchange Program was inaugurated by the Puducherry Lieutenant Governor Dr. Kiran Bedi. And we should also know about the Chief Minister. The Chief Minister of the state of Puducherry was, Union Territory of Puducherry was V. Narayan Samy. Now moving on to our next question. Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Nepalese Prime Minister Kharga Prasad Sarma Oli jointly inaugurated the second integrated checkpost ICP. So what is the place? So it is inaugurated in the place that is connecting the Jogbani and Biratnagar. So Jogbani is a place situated in Bihar, India, and Biratnagar is a place in Nepal. Okay, so let us know something about this integrated checkpost. So the integrated checkpost was a checkpost which is mostly built using the Indian assistant, and it houses the custom, immigration and border security to facilitate the movement of passenger and freight between the two countries. So ICP is equipped with all the modern facilities, and it is act as an important trade point between the two countries where the exchange of people as well as goods can take place. So this is in the line with the India's neighborhood fast policy. Now moving on to our next question. In which place the world's largest meditation center was inaugurated? So the answer of this question is the Kanha Santi Banam in Hyderabad, Telangana. Now it is reputed as the world's largest meditation center, and it has a capacity of 1 lakh people to meditate at a time, and it is inaugurated by the president of the Sri Ram Chandra Mission, that is Pujya Shri Kamlesh D. Patel. Now moving on to the next question. The Assam Rifles military unit constructed a war memorial in Kohima. So how is it known? So the war memorial is called Bir Smriti, and it is built at Mokang Chung, and it is inaugurated by the Inspector General of the Assam Rifles, Major General Pradeep Chandran Nair. Now this war memorial is mainly constructed in memory of the 357 Army and Assam Rifle personnel killed while fighting the insurgency in Nagaland. Now the next question is, as for the 9th edition of the TomTom Traffic Index 2019, which city has emerged as the worst traffic congested city in the world? Now this award goes to the city of Bengaluru. Now let us know something about this TomTom Traffic Index. So TomTom is a leading independent location technology specialist shaping mobility with highly accurate maps, navigation software and real-time traffic information and services. It releases the traffic statistics using this accurate maps, navigation software and real-time traffic information and services. So headquarters of this TomTom is in Amsterdam, Netherlands, and it has office in 30 countries. Now the number 1 rank is held by the city of Bengaluru. Now the second spot goes to the city of Manila in Philippines, and the third is the city of Bogota in Colombia. Now moving on with our next section. Now let us discuss about some important days of the month of January which you need to remember. So the first is 4th January, that is the World Braille Day. 10th January, it is the World Hindi Day. 12th January, it is the National Youth Day in memory of Swami Vivekananda. And 14th January is the Armed Force Veteran Day. 15th January is a National Indian Army Day. 19th January is a National Immunization Day. 24th January is a National Girl Child Day. 25th January is a National Voters Day. 30th January is a National Martyrs Day. And the last Sunday of January is World Leprosy Day. So these are some important days which you need to remember for the month of January. Moving on to the next part, we also need to remember some festivals of January. Questions usually come regarding the festivals of different states. So this Bushu festival, it is celebrated in Dima Hasao in Assam. The Jonbil Mela, it is held at the Jagi Road of Assam. Parsuram Kund Mela, it is organized in the state of Arunachal Pradesh. Nagoba Jatra Tribal Festival in the state of Telangana. Jo Kutpui Festival in Mizoram. The Baksa Bhat Festival in Alipurduar, West Bengal. The famous chariot festival of Suchindram Thanumalayam temple in Tamil Nadu. And the last is the Lai Haroba festival that begins in Agartala, Tripura. So this is the end of my video. So thank you for watching my video, and if you like my video, please share it, and don't forget to subscribe the channel, and please ring the bell icon to get further notification. And again, thank you for watching my video.